Good morning, Pontiac parents. This is Miss Rayner back with another episode of Music Monday. And today we're going to learn how to make a water xylophone. So go ahead right now and gather up glasses, several glasses. They do need to be glass and not plastic, but different size glasses, some water, maybe in a water pitcher or a jug, and something to play the glasses with. Now I'm going to use my plastic chopsticks, but you might not have plastic chopsticks. Maybe you have the wooden kind that you find at a restaurant, or if you don't, you can just use pencil or pen even. All right, have your materials. So in order to save time, what I've done is I have already experimented by pouring different levels of water in each of these glasses to make different pitches. And here's what it sounds like. Around with making some sounds. Next, I challenge you to play some songs. And what song was that? That's right, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Or if you also said the alphabet song, you're not wrong. And maybe someone said Baba Black Sheep, and you're not wrong there either. All of those songs have the same melody. Here's another one. And what would that one be? That's right. Are You Sleeping? Or Folle Jacques in French. And no Pontiac Music Challenge would be complete without this song. The Pontiac Proud Song. Now I want you to make me proud and build yourself a water xylophone this week and send me a video of you playing some of the songs that you either made up yourself or a familiar song that we all might know. Have fun, and don't forget to send me your video. You can email it to me at lrayner@richland2.org, or you can submit it inside our Google Classroom. And now I have 3 special student performances to share with you for our Music Spotlight. The first is from Noah Thomas, who had a little bit of fun, maybe a lot of fun I hear, trying to play the spoons. Great job, Noah. And now we have Miss Tara Ronkumar, who has been playing the flute for several years, and that's special to me because I'm also a flute player. But let's listen to Tara's beautiful flute playing.
Hi, I'm Tara, and I'm in 5th grade Upper Montessori. Today I'm going to be playing Study in C Major by Garibaldi on my flute.
Tara, great job. And finally, I have a special video from a guest performer. A lot of you might remember Pork Chop Productions that comes to our school every spring for Arts Day. And unfortunately, we had to cancel Arts Day this year. But Miss Laura from Pork Chop Production has a special little video that she said I could share with you, and I just thought it was fun. The instrument that she's playing is the Irish penny whistle, and she's a huge Star Trek fan, and so let's see what she does with her inventive theater self playing the Irish penny whistle along with Captain Picard. Enjoy.
Hi, Little Red Riding Hood here. Look, I'm bored. My granny's asleep in the other room, and I'm bored. So, I found my old penny whistle, and I thought I would play a little tune with my favorite captain, Captain Jean-Luc Picard of the Starship Enterprise. I hope it doesn't wake my granny. Want to hear it? Here it goes.
It's so good. You're definitely better than you think.
Thank you.
Boy, sorry, but Miss Laura was so inspiring I had to just play along with my penny whistle. I hope that you have fun playing on your water xylophone this week, and I look forward to your pictures and videos. Have a great week, Pontiac parents.